Take a look at this YouTube channel, Daily Facts. With almost 150,000 subscribers, their videos are completely automated using AI. Take a look at this channel. With only 15,000 subscribers, they have almost 7 million views. Yo, what's going on everybody? Professor AI here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to do YouTube Shorts automation using ChatGPT and Canva. So let's get right into it. First things first, you're going to want to come over to ChatGPT and copy the prompt from the description into ChatGPT. Then it'll create you something like this. Now what we've just created is a table of 50 facts. We're going to use this to create our shorts. If you need more facts, all you gotta do is type this into there, generate 20 more using the same specifications without repeating previous ones. I'll put that down in the description, and when you do that, it'll generate you 20 more. Now that we have our facts, it's time to generate our shorts. You're gonna want to come over to Canva and sign up for free. After you sign up, you should have something like this. Now search for YouTube Shorts and click a blank one. Once it's loaded up, we need to find an ambient background. Come over to apps and scroll down and find videos. Now you're going to want to search for a nature background or a sunset, something ambient that won't take away from the text. If you notice the crowns, those are the pro version of Canva. Basically, you have to pay for the pro version. Disclaimer: the pro version is necessary for this video in order to use the bulk creation tool later in the video. Okay, now that you found a background that you like, go ahead and place it over your video. This one looks very good. Now we're going to want to trim this down to make it a little shorter, because 9 seconds is too long for people's attention span. Let's go with 6 seconds. Okay. Now that we're here, we're going to want to add some text. First, come here and add a heading. Move it up and change the text to topic. Now you're going to want to change the font color to white. And you're going to want to add a background. Be sure to change the font. Me personally, I like this one, Archivio Black. Okay, now that we're here, we're gonna want to duplicate our text. Bring it down here and put it like in the middle. You're gonna want to make it a little smaller and be sure to remove the background. But add an outline. The outline should be black. The outline can be as thick as you want it. I'm gonna do around 100. Okay, now we're going to want to change the text to part 1. Now that we have that, we're going to want to take our part 1 and duplicate it and bring it just a little bit lower. Change this one to part 2. This will all make sense shortly. Be sure to take your part 2 and part 1 and bring them to the edge, so that way later when we create our shorts, the text won't be squished together. Now we're going to want to make sure that part 1 and part 2 show up at the right time. To do this, click on part 1, right click, and go to show timing. We're going to bring it down to 3.5 seconds, as part 1 needs to show longer than part 2. Now click part 2 and change it for the remaining 2.5 seconds. Now it's time for the part that most people don't know about. We're going to come over to apps and click bulk create. Now we're going to go over back to ChatGPT and copy our table that we generated earlier. Now come back to Canva, click enter data manually, click the top left cell, and then paste your table. Then click done. Now we're going to link our text. So come here, click topic, right click, connect data, and then click topic. Once you see these prongs around it, you know it's connected. Do the same for part 1 and part 2. Connect data, click part 1, and then part 2, connect data, part 2. Now that we've done that, we can change this and move part 2 over part 1. Okay, now that all of our data is connected, go ahead and click continue, and it'll generate you your videos. We may lose a few designs in the process, but that's okay. We'll still have 42 videos to work with. It does this fairly quickly, so stay tuned. Now we should have something like this. As you can see, Canva has generated us almost 50 videos of different facts. To customize this further, we could change the backgrounds to each video. Come back to videos and choose which one you like. And go ahead and replace it. You're going to want to do this for each video so that way they're unique. Be sure to add some music to make it unique. After you've done all that, this is the final product. And it's that simple. That's how you create bulk shorts in just a few minutes. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I hope you all enjoyed this and found value while watching. Thank you all for tuning in, and until next time, have a great day.